My name is Zach Wright. I'm a senior technical director at Production Glue, which essentially means I have sort of the overall oversight on any project of any and all technical elements. We work with a number of different companies across the world to do the structure, the production, the special effects, content design. We load in here roughly for about 6 weeks. It takes about 2 weeks to build all the metal, and then we spend about a month doing all the production, the audio, the video, the lighting, the scenery, and then we spend about a week and a half doing the programming. So making the lights look good, putting content into the screens, making all of that work, making sure that all the artist content looks nice when they come to do their shows. We work with a content production team of roughly 30 people. They help us with both our house content as well as integrating the artist content. We work with that team to both get the specifications from the production vendors, help us design and build the LEDs themselves and the screens, and design sort of the control system that is used for content playback. And then our content team works with the vendor and sort of creates spec sheets. We actually have a website for each stage. Every artist team can log into a website and get information on our system and what content we have available for them if they choose to use ours, how they can adapt theirs to be, functional and aesthetically workable on our stages, since most of our stages are a little bit atypical compared to most festival stages out there. We employ a bunch of different production vendors across the festival, and they all handle their own rigging. Most of it's very traditional entertainment rigging, chain motors, truss, that sort of thing. Though due to some of the sizes of our structures, we definitely get into more permanently engineered, more bespoke fabricated pieces. I mean, most of the structure of the stage behind me is stuff that they will use on other shows throughout the year, but some of it is bespoke. I mean, there are custom, there's a custom corner block for a piece of truss in there that's the size of a Mini Cooper. We also have a few pieces of automation. Speaking of rigging, upstage of Big Beast, you can almost sort of see a seam in the upstage video wall. It's a close down, so it lifts up, so it allows us to change over. So if we have a DJ, we can push the big DJ riser out. If we have a band, we can strike the DJ riser and push the band risers downstage to whatever that artist is doing. And then in the dance tent, we have a kinesis system on a number of flying pieces. There's 4 video ceiling pods in the dance tent. It can all go up and down and rotate on different axes. And then there's a bunch of lighting trusses that do the same thing. And so pretty unique to festivals in this region, especially, many artists tour with automation, but definitely one of the first times, a major entertainment event here has that, which is exciting for us. I do think that despite the size of the show, we've been very effective in creating a really smoothly operating site. Everybody knows each other and everybody supports each other. I lead a daily meeting of somewhere between 30 and 75 people, depending on the day, and they all represent different departments and different vendors on the festival. And it's an opportunity for people to sort of raise, questions, concerns, needs, for us to update them. Something as simple as I haven't seen the power guy in 3 days. I need to talk to him because something's not turning on, to, hi, how can we talk through, what the last 12 hours before a show is going to look like for everybody, and making sure everybody's doing that, and, anything in between. And so that support system, that sort of continuously open line of communication, is pretty unlike a lot of shows that I've worked on, and it's something that I've grown really fond of.